A good top tip here: always read everything before you use anything, especially a new device you haven't used before. It says remove protective film before use. Excellent idea. I'm guessing that if I leave that film on, this card will have a difficult time cooling itself. It's a beaut, isn't it? I haven't had a video card, graphics card this big since I used to have an NVIDIA 8800 in a previous case 10 years ago. Oh, more than that, 15 years ago. Wow. This is twice as big as that 1550, or 1650, excuse me, that I took out. You've probably seen videos about these already, so I won't spend a lot of time ogling it. It's the first one I've ever had that had a back plate. Very nice. It's about time I started putting something to look at on the back of graphics cards instead of just, exposed electronics. Since the main thing you see is the back of a graphics card anyhow. Now, I know they make those angle brackets now that make it so that this part of the graphics card faces towards the window. But I think I'm going to forego spending the money and going to all the trouble of putting one of those in. I really haven't heard that they do anything for performance. It's just to show it off. I don't think that would be necessary.